view first. Finish taking. We can help you. Even though it's come together. Oh, it's like more than 10 years. No. Oh. Oh. Who and release. Who and release.
Wait.
This is a we call T-grip. Make sure hold on your T-grip like this all the time. You don't hold play like this. Forward like a swing forward, swing back, swing forward, swing back, swing forward, swing back.
Ready? Yes. Override.
One more training first, yeah?
Okay.
Forward.
Again?
Forward.
Right side back paddle.
Oh, right side forward. Okay. One,
Only be forward.
two,
Lady forward.
One.
Forward.
two, one.
Okay, stop.
Stop.
Stop, then smiling.
Smiling.
Up, then.
Oh.
Show hand and smiling. Give me high five. High five, just like this.
High five. Yeah.
And hold on the rope. Forward.
Wow.
That behavior is so cold. Because all three of us hate piazza.
Hey, better than Rafting.
Yeah, now you finally get a chance to be wet.
If you back home, you fly or walking back?
Walk back. We take rough back. Yeah, we
I will
rough
take this
back.
one.
Rough back.
Yeah,
Go
take
back.
the boat.
This.
Back to home.
I put my passport inside.
I'm very good. One.
Okay, relax.
Relax. Okay.
Like a coffee break.
Coffee break. How many years you do this?
27.
Wow. You look 27.
What?
You look like you're 27 only.
Oh, smiling again.
Oh, wait, camera.
Oh, he go already.
Camera go already. Wow. You wanted the water.
I know. I did. Big drop in front.
You want to get wet?
Yes. I want to fall off.
We cannot pull you back.
And forward.
Forward. One. Oh God, it is. Oh God.
Oh, you really interested?
Okay, sit back.
Rock the down.
Then high five. Yeah.
High five.
And stop.
Give him. He wants to get wet. Give him.
Okay, then attack.
Attack.
Christina never hold. Christina never hold the rope. What was that? Tickle.
Come on, more. No. Help.
No, small one, no, half.
Half.
Like that.
Oh, I get it. They go to
And forward.
forward.
Two. One. Two.
Okay, I check.
Captain did that. Yeah, I know. My captain. You put it on. Inspiring. I'm trying. Bye. Bye. You see where you sitting?
This one lean in.
Leaning in the drive. People sitting
lean
like
in.
slide down.
Delivery, yeah?
Yeah.
No water, no water. Hey, Chico. A little bit, huh?
Give this go.
A little bit water. And forward.
One.
Run!
Two. One.
Boy,
Boy.
come on here. Want to join with me? No.
Cowboy, right? Yeah, John. On there.
I'm dropping. Tag.
So this part for swimming time.
Swimming
If you
time.
like to take a swim, about your paddle, you can lock like this, and then easy for fly out, and then swim. Get the swimming, flow by your back, feet first.
Okay.
Yeah, look down, swim. It's a very good for swimming. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, you are just flow like that, and then move to in the middle, swim to the middle first. Okay? Turn around. Looking down.
I'll hold on to you. I'll hold your life jacket.
Okay. Sekali got rope come up.
Okay. Are you okay?
You're good.
Yeah,
Super okay.
okay.
Oh, super okay.
Tak cari dalam kan ikan ni lah. Sekali we kena left behind, no?
It's okay, we'll just finish the rest of the
Like this
thing
one.
like this.
Quite fun.
Screw the rocks.
It's quite nice eh. The water is really very cool and nice, huh?
I don't know why it tastes fresh.